Okay, so she says, how can I give no contact a good meaning? What can I change the story to with that? So, when it comes to no contact, a few things. You have to live from the end as if you are with your person now. And if you are living from the end as if you are with your person right now, would you be focusing on the fact that you are not in contact with them? No, because you are with them now. You guys are in constant communication all day long. You two have amazing communication. However, I completely understand if it seems very difficult for you to focus on the fact that you two are in constant communication if it has been a long time since you two have not talked. But remember, when you are focused on the fact of you two not talking right now, what are you going to continue to receive? No contact. So just continue reminding yourself that everybody is you pushed out. So whatever I think and assume about myself and about that other person is what I'm going to continue to get back from them. So are you going to focus on no contact and how long it's been? No, you are going to focus on the fact that you guys are in constant communication. He loves talking to you. You are his favorite person. You are his number one priority. You continue persisting in that story no matter what, and he has no choice but to play that out in your reality. But remember, if you are persisting in this new story of being in constant communication with them, and then you catch yourself figuring out how long it's been, going on their social media to see what they're doing, if they're dating anyone, etc., that is two different states. You need to continue persisting in the state of you being with that person right now, no matter what you see or hear in the 3D. What you are living right now is just a manifestation of all your old thoughts. So if you continue persisting in your new story, no matter what, as if you are in constant communication with them right now, you will experience that in your 3D. So continue persisting no matter what. You got this. Follow me for more tips.